Welcome to our presentation on Australia virtual phone numbers. In this presentation, we will explore the key features, advantages. Easy setup process. Getting started with Australia virtual phone numbers is easy and hassle-free. Callmama offers instant activation. Lower costs compared to traditional landlines. Australia virtual phone numbers are much more cost-effective. Callmama offers low monthly rates. Enhanced security. Callmama offers unique features that make verification processes much easier for businesses. This includes double authentication. Local presence. Australia virtual phone numbers give you the ability to create a local presence anywhere in the world. This helps businesses to connect more easily. Flexibility. Australia virtual phone numbers are highly flexible and adaptable. They can be used by businesses of all sizes, from startups. Conclusion. Australia virtual phone numbers are becoming an increasingly popular communication tool for businesses and individuals around the world. Callmama. Connecting people with loved ones.